Hello, everybody, from Nicole from Divine Creations. Here we have a pajama set that we are going to put in a basket, and I'm going to show you some of the items we have. We have a notepad that's glittered. We also have a washcloth that I've tied a little ribbon on. And we have a mask. It's silver mask to put on the face, and a little fall ornament. It's a pumpkin. And then we also are putting in a candle. So we're just trying to set the mood for someone to relax. You know, after you get out of the bath and you do a nice facial and you put in some fresh pajamas, you light a candle and you sit down and you write in your notepad. Here we have this basket that we're going to put everything in. As you guys can see, my theme is black, white, and gray. That is a size medium pajama set that I got from Family Dollar for $2.50. That is a candle that I also got from Family Dollars for $1. Basket has already been stuffed and ready and prepped to go. So let's start putting things in. Medium size. And again, you guys, this has a pair of pajamas and a top. That is a two-piece pajama set. Oh, and don't forget the beautiful house shoes that we also got from Family Dollar. I believe I got those for $2 as well. Nice plush, thick rubber bottoms that we're going to put in the back of the basket. Here, let me demonstrate. There we go. Okay, so let's start putting in the items. We're going to put in our mask. And our notebook. Our candle. Our washcloth. And the ornament. This was a simple and easy gift basket and inexpensive. Thanks, guys. Bye.